Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a really cool video for you guys. Ninte is back. They've hit us up with the brand new rear diffuser for the F10 for the M Sport rear bumper. We just finished the rear M Sport bumper conversion. So if you guys didn't catch that, that was on the previous video. But we're gonna jump into this. Before we do, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I was looking at the analytics, guys. We've got a lot of viewers that are not subscribers, and we want to make sure we grow the channel. So if you guys would, make sure you take a moment, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're going to turn the camera around. We're going to jump right in. So as you guys probably know from the our previous video when we did the front lift on the F10, actually partnered with us. Got us taken care of on that. We did the same thing on the diffuser. So we're gonna give a quick review. Definitely check out their website, guys. They have some really great products. So you'll see this on the screen real quick. I'll kind of show you what it looks like on their website, how to navigate it. It's really cool. Go out there, check out their products. But we're gonna dig in real quick to our new rear diffuser for the F10. And the diffuser comes in two packages. This looks to be the piece that actually goes underneath to connect it so onto the bumper. And I went with that piano black. Oh man, that's really clean. So that's really nice. I really love that. Okay, and then this will probably be the top section that also goes around our exhaust tips. And what you guys will notice is this is actually the dual for the quad tip kit, because I'm actually doing a conversion at the same time there. And there it is again in that piano black. That looks absolutely great. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it mocked up on the car, and then that will allow me to figure out what I need to do on the quad tips as well, because I still have the stock F10 535 exhaust, and we're going to run those quad tips. Man, definitely liking the piano black. That's gonna go really good with the side skirt extensions that were just installed. Okay guys, we're gonna start with this top section and see if we can get this snapped into place. And like I was saying before, it's actually looks like it's sitting properly, but I'm having issues, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see here, but the corners are not actually clicking into place with me trying to set this bumper on while it's still on the car. With me trying to set the diffuser on while it's still in the car. So looks like I will have to go ahead and probably pull the bumper off, set those the diffuser into this into those clips properly, and then we'll have to reassemble. So we took the bumper off, got that seated in really well. So that's actually looking really good. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop on the rear section of the diffuser, or the bottom section of the diffuser. All right, so here we're just going to place this in position. There are actually gonna be some clips in here that these are gonna sit into. I get this. Okay, so we've got the rear part of the diffuser clipped in place. I wanted to pull it out a little bit here for you guys in the daylight to give you a really good look of what it looks like. And that's what we're looking like right now. Of course, we still have to go ahead and add our exhaust tips, which have not come in yet. But once we get those added, I'll give you guys a rear look at that as well too. But I really like the look of that rear diffuser. Definitely like the M Sport rear bumper. And again, this is just some really quick cutting and buffing. I will probably go through and hit it again and just try to make sure I polish it out real nice. The paint match I think looks pretty darn good. Keep in mind my car is pretty dirty right now. But again, I'm not a painter, I'm not a body guy, but I like it. I think it looks really good. So let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Okay guys, excuse all the noise. It's been a few days. There are building houses everywhere in my neighborhood, so there's just all sorts of drilling and hammering and all that stuff going on. But we've pulled the diffuser off. We have our new package that came in. So this is our new quad tip exhaust. So what we've done is we went ahead and pulled the diffuser off. I've got these, I'm really liking these. These were purchased right off of AliExpress. Got a really nice deal on them. They've got the carbon fiber there with the blue exhaust tips. I think that's gonna look really, really nice. So what we're going to do real quick here is, first of all, pull this off. These should be sized to slip right over the exhaust. Here it's not gonna happen because if you can't tell or not, this is actually a little bit wider, there's a step. So what I actually need to do is I've got my Sawzall here. We're going to chop off our exhaust tips here from this section here, because again, I'm still running the stock 535 exhaust or the 535 mufflers. We have our electric cutouts that are mounted right there, but these are the stock mufflers. So we are actually just adapting these over, and that's why I had to make sure I got the H version here for both sides, so that we will actually just slide right onto this exhaust tip. I'll be able to bolt it down for right now. I might go back and actually have it welded, but for right now, for fitment purposes, we're just gonna bolt it down and we'll get it installed. And then we'll get you a overall look at our exhaust and our new diffuser and the whole rear M Sport bumper. So I'm really excited about this. Go ahead and cut this right here. It doesn't have to be even a straight cut because it's actually just gonna slip right over that. But we're gonna jump down here real quick and see if we can make this cut pretty quick. All right, that's it. Okay, and now with that cut made, we should be able to slip this exhaust tip right over, yep, and it'll actually slide all the way back to where we need to set it in place. So now we are going to go ahead and put our rear bumper back on with our diffuser, and then we will see how our exhaust tips sit, and we'll go from there. Looks pretty good. So of course it'll look a lot better once we get it down on the ground, but the first one is on. I will get the other one installed. We'll also get it cleaned up real quick because it's looking pretty filthy, and then we'll take a look at it and see if we like the angle and that sort of thing. Okay, so we've got the F10 all cleaned up, and the rear bumper is now sitting nice, looking good. I still feel like I need to hit it again with a little bit more cutting and buffing. But there is our new exhaust tips, our new rear end altogether. So we've got our new M Sport rear bumper. The diffuser looks awesome, and as well as the new quad exhaust tips. So again, guys, this is the rear diffuser. The fitment on it is pretty good. Now, it's one of those things I can't say 100% just because this rear bumper is not a OEM bumper. Again, this is the bumper I picked up from Rock Auto. It is supposed to be the CAPA, or I don't know if that's CAPA or what, certified bumper. The only thing that I have an issue with on my my diffuser is it sometimes does not want to sit all the way into those positions. So but it does still look very, very good, very, very clean. I am really, really happy and excited with the way this thing looks. So I will try to see if I can hit you guys with some cinematics here. But we've got another job well done. So if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Want to keep trying to bring this content to you guys. But without any further delay, hopefully you guys will like the cinematics.